play Storybox on TV. See? Then it plays. Then you tap the circle button on the TV. This one. Hi everyone, today we're opening Chromecast with Google TV. Let's open it. And here's the Google and the remote for it. So let's open it. And it's also 4K too. So let's open here. The scissors. Come on, out. Okay, I'm strong. So where to open this? Pull here. Oh, at the bottom. What? I didn't know it's at the bottom. So we got this box here. Let's open this one first. It's not gonna open it. So, oh, here to open. To open here. Okay. Okay. Anything inside? No. Bye. Right, let's take it. Whoa, careful, it's gonna break. Oh, wow! Oh, here's a cable. Connecting TV, I forgot that. Oh, I think to the side. Oh, to take up this. Gonna come out. Oh, there we go. Great, we're gonna open in there. Alright. Let's take it out first. Oh, here's the remote. Neat. See? Here are the buttons. I think here are the buttons. And I think this button, no volume. For this, maybe the Google. We have Netflix here. The John button. Arrow house. So much stuff. So cool. Here maybe the louder quiet noise. And there's also the batteries in too. So there's batteries inside to put there or there. So yeah, my dad needs some batteries. Bye, Boxy. Okay, let's open this. It's not gonna open, so open this. It's not gonna come out. Yes, free. Bye box. See, this is how it looks like. The back to put this here. So we're gonna connect to Google. Whoa, this is white to Google. So white. Okay. Now this goes to the TV. Let's go to the TV. We're gonna connect to the TV. So you have to do it. And if you press this black button and say, "Okay, Google, play us on a movie or a cartoon," and this Google will do it on the TV. You can do anything you want. Okay, now we'll show you how to put this on the TV. My dad is gonna do it. Again, press the black button and say, "Play Llama Llama on Netflix." Then press the circle button. And circle, right? what, but I'm gonna say play DuckTales in YouTube.
Tales on YouTube.
Oh, here's DuckTales. Wow, there's so many options. Oh, so much money. So you have to press this, or this, or this, or this to go up. So much. He has the biggest head ever. So much money. Oh, we have the squirrels. Yeah, the money. Disney. The eagle's flying. The eagle's flying. Oh. He's scared. He cannot land anywhere. Oi. Don.
Uncle Donald,
No.
you can't wear this to your job interview. You gotta dress for the job you want, not the job you have, which is no job.
Oh no! It's Caesar.
Big day, and a big day calls for a big breakfast.
Okay, see? That's it for today. Bye bye. There's my video, and there's a drawing tablet. I really wanted that. Press that one. I want that one. I love that. It's strong. Bye bye. That's it for today. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, comment. Bye 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 bye. Bye 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 bye.